Hello and welcome to Greenline Architects, where you will find unique ideas for your future house. Today we will show you a house of beauty and grace. This house is a marvel of balance and space. Every inch of plot is used with skill and taste. Elevation of this house is elegant and contemporary, with a touch of class. The elevation features a combination of materials and colors that create a harmonious and attractive contrast. The elevation reflects the personality and style of the owners who wanted a house that stand out from the others. Don't miss the cutout plan that reveals its secrets. You can jump to it from chapter menu. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe. It helps us create more beautiful designs for your delight. Jumping to the cutout plans, we have two parallel car parking and a beautifully designed front landscape. Entering the house to duplex-like internal staircase with a large drawing room, which are backed up by a guest bedroom, a powder toilet and a maid's room. On first floor, from back side, we have a bedroom and a family living area which is connected to open kitchen and dining, complementing with powder toilet. We managed to provide a dedicated utility area on this floor. On first floor, the front of the house is beautifully designed with a puja room facing balcony and a large master bedroom with attached dress and toilet. Second floor of the house is planned with two bedrooms, both with attached toilet. We get a nice balcony and sit out terrace at front of the house. Mid section of the house could be utilized as family lounge. A dedicated home theater multimedia room enhances the elegance of the house. Terrace is completed with necessary elevational elements with services carefully designed, making a unique, clean terrace for sit out and enjoy the evening. Share your reviews in comment box below if you like the design and presentation. Thank you very much for staying this far with us. We design a house with careful analysis of client's requirement and local authority bylaws. Give us a like and subscribe for more free content like this. Thank you. Dhanyavad.